Hello, and thank you for purchasing the SipSafer Ecoli test. This is an instructional video on how to use this test. First things first, please ensure that your hands are clean. This is to ensure that no other bacteria is going to get into the test. When you open your SipSafer Ecoli test, you are going to find an eyedropper, a vial with the enzyme in it, and some test strips. Please collect at least 1 teaspoon of your water sample and let it sit for 2 minutes. If any of the enzyme gets into your eyes, your mouth, or your skin, please wash with plenty of water. First things first, you're going to want to open your vial. Then collect your water in the dropper. Put 3 drops in the vial. Once your water sample is in the vial, close the lid tightly and shake the vial. And then you can set that aside. Wait for 10 minutes before you insert your SipSafer test strip. Once you open your test strip, ensure that you are not touching the testing area. This is to ensure that you are not contaminating it and you get accurate results. Next, you'll insert your test strip into the vial for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you may remove your strip from the vial and compare the color with the chart that's provided. A white strip indicates no E. coli. Any hint of blue indicates E. coli in your water. If you are looking for more accurate results, you may insert your strip back into the vial for an additional 50 minutes to get a clear answer. After 50 minutes have passed, you may once again compare your strip with the chart to know exactly how much E. coli bacteria has been found in your water. Thank you so much for purchasing the SipSafer E. coli testing strips. Keep an eye out for more SipSafer products from Advanced High Tech Center. Until next time, we'll see you later.